20 pounds, large saltfish, codfish. Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. Welcome to Self-Care Official. Here I am in the supermarket here, guys, looking at codfish. Yes. Look at codfish, guys. All of codfish. In Jamaica here we said saltfish, but some person you say codfish. Yeah. Yummy, yummy. These codfish are very fat. Look at the price there. $1,485.20 right there for this weight. 1.124, it's the weight, and this is the total price for this weight. Yes, codfish, guys, otherwise saltfish in Jamaica. Delicious. Can be eaten with different vegetables, whether you want to eat it with your pad chai, whether you want to eat it with your saltfish, whether you want to eat with cabbage, stir fry. Delicious saltfish, guys. Look at it. Wow. Saltfish, codfish. Please like, share, comment, guys. Thanks for watching. So these are the cases of codfish, guys. This is what the case looks like. This is what the case of codfish, saltfish looks like. So if you don't want to buy the smaller package, then you come and you buy a case, right? And a case has in 20 pounds. 20 pounds, right, guys? Large saltfish it is. Yes, 20 pounds, large saltfish, codfish.